Hello everyone, welcome to my lecture series. In today's lecture, we will discuss about two major topics that comes in our mind. First one is benefits of AI. Second is risk associated with artificial intelligence. So, let's discuss one by one. If we talk about the benefits of AI, so by automating certain tasks and providing real-time insights, AI can help organizations make faster and more informed decisions. This can be particularly valued in high-stakes environment where decisions can be taken quickly and accurately in order to prevent the costly errors or save lives. Some of the major benefits of AI are listed below. First one is automation, speed, accuracy, exploration, data collection and analysis, strengthens economy, and at last, enhanced lifestyle. Let's discuss one by one. First is automation. So AI creates understanding of the machines to interpret the situations and perform the required actions. Some jobs such as paper checking, form submissions, and many more can be very tiring tasks. These tasks can be automated with the help of AI with the least human interventions. Let's say employees in any organization or in case of industries can also focus on their core responsibility while tedious jobs can be automated with AI. Next is speed. AI can do much work without stopping compared to the human beings. Apart from automation, AI lets us to complete work before the deadlines and the work can be done outside the working hours also. It also reduces not only the human labor but also provide great speed and efficiency. Let's talk about accuracy. AI also reduces the chances of error as compared to the humans, like the speed, since the machines will always act according to a fixed or a particular algorithm. In each scenario, there are few errors. AI can help us in defining new limits or foundation of accuracy and precision with reduced risk. Let's talk about the next one, that is exploration. So AI help us to discover various unexplored places such as volcanic sites, or we'll talk about ocean beds, etc. In these cases, human cannot visit these vulnerable sites as they can't survive in those scenarios. In this case, AI machine can go to such places and can also collect the information. Now, if we talk about the data collection and analysis, so it is already a trending technology in modern day business world. Industries and various business know the value of analyzing and extracting the useful information. If we talk about the strengthened economy, so according to a recent report that is submitted by the PwC, the progress advances in case of AI will increase the global GDP up to the 14%, and it seems that it contributes over $12 trillion to the world economy at the end of year 2030. It is also said that the most significant economic gains from AI will be in China and North America. These two countries will account for almost 70% of the global economic impact. Next one is enhanced lifestyle. So if we talk about the enhanced lifestyle, so we can easily check that last recent few years, AI has evolved from a science fiction movie plot to an essential part of our day-to-day lives. Since the emergency of AI in the year 1950s, we have seen there is a rapid growth in this field. We can use AI based virtual assistants such as Siri, Cortana, Alexa to interact with our phones and other devices. It is used to predict deadly diseases such as ALS and leukemia also. Now let's talk about the risk associated with the AI. So before starting with this, can we know about the risk associated with AI and how we can manage them? A beginner should be aware of the potential risk that involved with the AI processes. So first risk is high implementation cost. A question arises whether are we looking to set up a chatbot software for our business? Then in that case, the cost of implementation is much higher than the setup as compared to the other technologies such as your cloud computing, your database, your AI, machine learning, deep learning, and many more implementation costs. Next one is your social surveillance with AI technology. So in addition to this, there is a more existential threat or damaged. Ford is focused on the way where AI will be adversely affect the privacy and the cyber security. If we talk about the human replication, then it's all started in the year 1950 where the Alan Turing conducted a Turing test that we have already discussed in the previous slide. To get the more detail, please visit the previous lecture slides. Since then, the replication of human intelligence by the use of AI has been continuously debated. While some sees it as a human-friendly technology, some sees AI advancements as a sign of destruction. Have you seen movies related to the robots and the risk associated with them? Then, in that case, the bright scope of AI also comes with it risks that are to be handled by the experts. Now, the last one is your social manipulation and through the AI algorithms. In this case, if we talk about a report that is submitted in the year 2018 on the potential threats of AI, it basically lists the social manipulation as one of the topmost risk factor of AI. This fear has also become a reality as most of the politicians rely on the same platform to promote their viewpoints. So these are the risks associated with the AI. For more lecture series on AI and robotics, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned. For any queries, please message your queries in the comment section that is provided on my channel portal. Thank you.